red lights will come on very, very shortly, as it's soon going to be time to tame the horsepower rodeo. Who's going to be our king of COTA in 2022? Great launch off the line by Jorge Martin, likewise Jack Miller. Here comes Fabio Quartararo as well on the inside. Where's Marc Marquez?
He's plumb last,
he missed the start.
Had a terrible start. Marc Marquez didn't get away at all. He is right at the very back of the field.
I was looking for him in the top 5, expecting to get a superb launch. A nightmare then for Marc Marquez. The king of COTA dumped all the way to the back of the pack. What on earth happened to Marquez off the line?
Quartararo's up a place. He's got ahead of one of the Pramac Ducatis. It must be Johan Zarco is down in 6th position. The Suzukis have...
And it's a second win of the season for Enea Bastianini. 2 seconds clear in the end of Alex Rins, who pipped Jack Miller just 2 corners from the end. Joan Mir 4th for the second week in a row ahead of Pecco.